Sanibonani, this is Dumi Motuning, known as Gogo Skotseni. Bengicela ukuxolisa kakhulu ukuthi ngiyangathula ngangakhulumi about the prayer yange 17 May. Bengicela ukuyihlehlisa guys. I did not expect ukuthi sizoba baningi kangaka because currently we are sitting on 389 people. For me, that is not just a number, it's a big number, and I would love the Holy Spirit to lead us into the right direction. I was not ready for that number. Please allow me to dwell deep in prayer and in fasting before I can pray for abantu abangaka, and abantu aba-confirm ama-booking wabo, and there were still more people we didn't answer, so I could see we are gonna reach 500 at the end. So bengicela ukuxolisa, please wait for me to be spiritually fit and strong, and then we will do it. I'm really sorry for those I've disappointed, and I know we had people who were coming from far, so bengicela nje ningixolele. Le akusiyona into esingadlala ngayo bakwethu, so I'll keep on updating when can our next prayer be. In the meantime, let's continue to pray for ourselves and pray for each other. Last corner. Stay blessed. Thank you.